Hi, my name is Igor Kichelevsky. I am author of program PeyoteCreator. The program allows to create peyote star and other geometrical bird design. I want to show you how we can create peyote star in the program. So start the program. Initially there isn't anything. File, new, start with geometric bird block. Select some predefined palette, for example, Delica. Next. Select design format star. There is 5 star. Design nickname bar. Select rows number 15. Initial color. Initial beard shape. Apply. Oh, we can create 6 race number. Apply. 8. Apply. 16. Apply. We will use this. Apply. And 17 rows number. Apply. Finish. Now let us to draw something on the star. We will use symmetric paint model, which means that we can repeat our drawing as parameters below. We will repeat on other side. We will repeat out from left to right. What it is? Black color line, left to right. Undo. Next, repeat from top to bottom. At the same time, from left to right and top to bottom. I want to draw contour, so we will repeat from left to right and repeat on other rays. Oh, another race. We use it repeat on other side. This is front side. This is reverse side. Okay. I want brown color. Okay. I will draw something as back. Now I will use mode mirror left to right. ice, blue, okay. PeyoteCreator forms below. Okay. Save. Save as. Man. And that will be one. Design name. There will be red. This side, where is the side? Right. Now export show used colors, customize symbol, Arial, okay. Output front side because sides are the same. Third columns number, 2 columns, skip column, expressing to PDF. First square, what chat. Second square, fourth square, what chat, etc. Third, fourth, peace. That's all.